Panoli.
Shamishtha Panoli. सर शर्मिष्ठा 14 दिन शर्मिष्ठा का ये वीडियो सोशल मीडिया
Shamishtha Panoli.
शर्मिष्ठा पनोली।
नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं हूँ चहक, एक स्टूडेंट, और मैं आप सभी से दो चीज़ों के बारे में बात करना चाहती हूँ जो इंडिया में सबसे ज़्यादा वायरल होती है, कंट्रोवर्सी और कंफ्यूजन। शर्मिष्ठा पनोली, a 22-year law student from Pune Law University, gets arrested by the Calcutta police in Gurgaon for her Islamophobic remarks on Operation Sindoor. उसने एक controversial वीडियो बनाया जिसमें उसने बॉलीवुड खान के साइलेंस पे क्वेश्चन उठाया. She later deleted her post and she also apologized publicly. But तब तक words हो गए थे वायरल और FIR हो गई थी फाइल. But in this video we are not concerned with the trajectory कि शर्मिष्ठा पनोई के साथ आगे क्या होगा, because that is the merit of the case. We are not here to give verdicts or judgments. That's for the judiciary. But let's ask a real question. The question here in time is, क्या ये public dissent था या disobedience था? And that makes me ring a bell on Article 19, that is freedom of speech and expression. Article 19 of the Indian Constitution tells you कि बोलो, पर उसी आर्टिकल का सब क्लॉज आर्टिकल 19 सब क्लॉज 2 कहता है सोच कर बोलो. We are not living in America where freedom of speech is absolute in nature. In India, freedom of speech comes with reasonable restrictions. अब आप सोचेंगे कि ये डिसाइड कौन करेगा? Definitely there are a lot of parameters and that is for court to decide कि reasonable restriction क्या होगा. That is against public order, morality, etc. etc. This isn't about Shramishta alone. Do you remember the latent row controversy, the Samay Raina case? Same digital explosion, abuse, activism, anger, social media outrage, and a digital divide. Let's ask a real question. Are we normalizing vulgarity and calling it boldness, or are we rewarding outrage more than originality? And more dangerously, are we more selective in who gets punished and who gets platformed? These are the real questions in time. These cases will happen. This is not the first time that is happening. पर याद रखिए, जब भी हम किसी को बोलने पे सजा देते हैं तो हम दूसरे को चुप रहने का सिग्नल देते हैं. But if we tolerate hate when it suits us and condemn when it doesn't, then the line of reasonableness becomes a game of convenience. मैं भी स्टूडेंट हूँ और आप भी. Let us build a digital culture जहाँ dissent, difference of opinion हो, पर decency के साथ. In India, you are free to speak. पर याद रखिए, माइक किसी के मूड से म्यूट भी हो सकता है. I'm not here to question which government did what or how the matter has been so much politicized, but what I'm concerned with is that I don't want to create a left versus right shouting match. Rather, it's a student to a society conversation. We all are participants of democracy, remember this, and not participants of mobocracy. I want to ask this very last question to all of us, and to just ask this to ourselves, that are we building a culture of expression or a culture of aggression? Remember, we all have used this phrase a lot of times in our lives. Words are mightier than sword. But in today's digital age, I want to say that posts are mightier than sword. So be careful of what you speak. Please speak and don't spit. Thank you so much for listening to me patiently.